Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to write Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel with pencils. So let's start. First of all, join two pencils and write Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel with them in the same way in which I am writing here. Here you can see that in some parts I have used a single pencil instead of double pencil. So you should have to do all these things for writing this. And here our last word is left, which is al-wakeel, and after that our pencil work become completed. And here our pencil work is completed, and now we will move ahead towards the markers. And first of all we will use black marker, and here I have used a thick permanent black marker for my calligraphy. You can also use any other black marker instead of thick permanent black marker. You can use a simple black marker that is available at your home. And here you can see that I'm making some parts of my calligraphy thick and some are thin. And in this calligraphy we will use our black marker on some parts of our calligraphy, and on the other left parts we will use golden or brown marker. And here you can see that we have written Hasbunallahu with black marker, and now we are writing Naam with it. And here we will left meme and move towards al-wakeel. Here we will fill al-wakeel with the same black marker. And here our work of black marker is near to complete. And after the use of black marker, we will move ahead towards using a golden or brown marker. And if you don't have subscribed my channel, then subscribe my channel and like this video. And if you have any question, then tell me in comment. I will give you the answer of your question in my next video. Here now we are filling our meme with another marker that we have left. And as it is not a permanent or thick marker, so I'm using the same marker for shading it. And before shading it, we will draw the outlines of meme with the same marker. And here you can see we will also use this marker on the different parts. And here our calligraphy is completed, and now we are erasing all the pencil, and here our calligraphy is completed. Thanks for watching video. Allah Hafiz.